Section 1.6. The skills we need. If Copilot can write our code, explain it, and fix bugs in it, are we just done? Do we just tell Copilot what to do and celebrate our pure awesomeness? No. First, Copilot can make mistakes. The code it gives us might be syntactically correct, but sometimes it doesn't do what we want it to do. We need to be vigilant to catch when Copilot makes these mistakes. Second, although some of the skills that programmers rely on, for example, writing correct syntax, will decrease in importance, other skills remain critical. For example, you can't throw a huge task at Copilot like, make a video game, and make it fun. Copilot will fail. Instead, we need to break down such a large problem into smaller tasks that Copilot can help us with. How do we break a problem down like that? Not easily, it turns out. Humans need to develop this key skill when engaging in conversations with tools like Copilot, and we teach this skill throughout the book. Other skills, believe it or not, may take on even more importance with Copilot. Testing code has always been a critical task in creating high-quality code. We know a lot about testing code written by humans because we know where to look for typical problems. We know that humans often make programming errors at the boundaries of values. For example, if we wrote a program to multiply two numbers, we'd likely get most values right, but maybe not when one value is 0. What about code written by AI, where 20 lines of flawless code could hide one line so absurd that we likely wouldn't expect it there? We don't have experience with that. We need to test even more carefully than before. We also need to know how to fix mistakes when the code is wrong. This process is called debugging and is still essential, particularly when Copilot gives you code that is close to correct but not quite there yet. Finally, some required skills are entirely new. The main one here is called prompt engineering, which involves how to tell Copilot what to do. As mentioned earlier, when we're asking Copilot to write some code, we're using a prompt to make the request. Although we can use English to write that prompt and ask for what we want, it's not enough. We need to be very precise if we want Copilot to have any chance of doing the right thing. And even when we're precise, Copilot may still do the wrong thing. In that case, we need to first identify that Copilot has indeed made a mistake. Then, we can try to tweak our description to hopefully nudge it in the right direction. In our experience, seemingly minor changes to the prompt can have outsized effects on what Copilot produces. In this book, we'll teach you all of these skills.